Hi everyone! Today we'll be making lemonade, so let's get started. First, you want to take 2 lemons and cut them into half. Next, you want to take a juicer or like a lemon squeezer and you want to juice or squeeze your lemons. Now take a glass and add your lemon juice into the glass. Now we're going to take some sugar and add 4 tablespoons. As you can see, I only added 2, but I added 2 more later on. And you just want to mix that all together. Now you want to add half a cup of water and mix that. Now you want to take a glass jug and add some ice to it. I also cut up a little bit of lemon and added that. Now we're adding our lemon juice and we're going to be adding 3 cups of sparkling water. If you don't have sparkling water, that's okay, you can just use normal water. Now take a glass and add some ice to it. I also added a few slices of lemon too. Now you want to take your lemon juice and just pour that into the glass. Now for a little decoration, I added a lemon slice on the glass and now we just put a straw.